Well, I think to be honest, like they have the first thing that they had a skill, but more than that, I think that they had a self belief, and I think somewhere I wanted to give that some credit to IPL also, because those boys are also the part of franchisee cricket, and they share the dressing room with the greats of the world cricket, and I think that really helped them. Like they think that they belong to that level. I think that's the best part from the IPL. It's happening. Like anybody, the player coming, they are look so confident. If you see like Washington Sundar and Shardul Thakur's partnership, that was so good to see. Like nobody thought like they are playing their maiden test matches, or that they are performing like they already played 25 test matches. So I think that's the confidence level of today's generation, and I think for us as a coaches also, that really excites us, because that self belief is ultimate in any form of cricket, to be honest, whether it's a IPL, it's a one days or T20s or a test cricket. But we are seeing this talented young cricketer. The story is that like some of them went there as a net bowler and played for a country, and not only just they contributed in Team India's success. So I think that's the best thing to see basically, and that will to win was there, and I think that was so critical to see that. And really, as I said, like we witnessed that one of the historical series by in Australia, and what we are also now watching, like how Indians are doing well to qualify for the World Championship. Well, that is what that called test cricket, isn't it? You are tested, and I think you are tested at the seaming wicket as well as you will be tested on a turning track. And I think if you mentally tough, and your temperament, and again your technique, that also matters in that level, to be honest, like to how to survive that 2 session or 3 session, because as a batsman, if you play 2 session, I think you are teaming in a commanding position. So how to play those 2 sessions are going to be critical, whether it's a seaming track or a turning track, because I think that's where this test cricketer works so hard to be successful in that level. And I think the preparation, we have to see how they prepare themselves, and I think that preparation count that to be successful in any condition. I will say, like that's why we go there. For Indians is always how you perform in Australia, that matters. Same thing to the overseas tour, when they come to India, they really matter for them, that success, how they get the runs, because always for a foreign player in scoring runs is like a goal for them, and I think that's why they come with their. But we are seeing a quality batsman like a Joe Root, the getting double 100. That's really excited to see that type of a batting, and he's shown a class to get those double 100 on an Indian soil. But yeah, coming to that, like that is what test cricket is all about. When we go home and away condition, how, and that is why the people rate you when you play 10 years of international cricket, or you score more than 5,000 runs. They really respect you for that, because that journey, they go so much up and down, but they know how to come back as a winner. We should also remember the learning of the last pink ball what we played. I think that's so critical. Yes, that was a quality bowler they had. Wicket was a different, but again, like we all know this pink ball behave, that we can't predict I think that's the basically the art of batting. We have to show that to handle that pink ball, because believe me, it's not easy to handle that. So it's more important, you more focus, and what are the 8 days you got, so you can prepare for that, basically that battle, because this third test is again going to be so crucial. So because we know like this ball helps to the seamer also, so where England have that advantage. But saying that, we also have such a great pace bowling unit who can get the 20 wickets for us.